We're seeing encoding in programming with Claude Code and Opus 4.5, the recent model from Anthropic. This tweet sums it up. 2021, AI for coding is useless. 2022, it can't write a whole function. 2023, it can't pass a coding interview. 2024, it can't build an app. 2025, it can't handle complex projects. 2026, oh no. This is the pattern AI progresses at different rates in different industries. A couple of years ago, it created spaghetti code, unusable for production. We are moving towards a place where it can do the jobs we need. Humans love to keep moving the goalposts. We will say AI will be useful when it can do this or that. As soon as it can do that task, we're like, oh, it can't do this. We've been doing this with computers and AI for years. The best gauge was it will never beat a human in chess. And then Deep Blue beat Garry Kasparov. Early 90s, I think it was. So we moved the goalpost back. We said, it can do chess, but you can brute force chess. It will never be able to play Go because Go has such a huge number of combinations and permutations that it's impossible to brute force that calculation. It would take longer than the length of the universe to calculate these. It's not going to be able to understand Go. And then we had Lisa was beaten by AlphaGo, and we had AlphaZero. Go was a solved problem. So we moved the goalposts again, and we're like, okay, that's fine, but these are silly little games, and it can never operate in the real world. It's never going to drive a car in a city, and boom, self-driving cars. We keep moving the goalposts. People will comment on this and be like, oh, well, they can't actually drive. That is resistance from the law. People being freaked out about jobs in trucking and transportation. That is resistance from us. We move the goalposts, we feel less useless. This is happening in every industry. Coding is being hit hard because AI labs are focusing on this problem. They're not focusing on medical problems. They're not focusing on necessarily engineering problems. They're focusing on coding. Because of that, we're moving into a year where coding is considered a solved problem. We're moving up the chain saying it can't architect software. We'll solve that next. Then it goes up to the next thing, which is, oh, but we need to make sure it's actually building things that are useful, things that people actually want, product management. Okay, we will then solve that in the next couple of years. So we're just going to keep rolling back. Humans will keep resisting this. But this example here, we're going to see it in every single industry, and it's going to happen at different rates, and individuals within the industry are going to have to go through this process. It's useful to understand what is happening to industry now. You can see how that's going to be applied to your industry, to your niche, because it is coming. It's an inevitability.